Well, nearly 100 people have gotten sick, and so far a mysterious E. coli outbreak that's now across 5 states, and it has impacted the Tri-Cities region.
According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, 96 people have been infected with a strain of E. coli. It's about a 33% increase in cases since last Friday. Yesterday, the Sullivan County Health Department said that, quote, less than a handful of people have been diagnosed with E. coli.
Blake Lipton spoke with an epidemiologist at the Sullivan County Health Department to find out how this is impacting this region.
Well, Josh and Sarah, so far 26 people in Tennessee have been affected by the mysterious outbreak strain of E. coli, and we're learning a few of those cases come from Sullivan County. According to the Tennessee Department of Health, to date, 14 cases of E. coli have been reported in what's deemed the Northeast region and Sullivan County. The Sullivan County Health Department tells us 8 of those E. coli cases are in its jurisdiction,
which is typically a lot higher than what we normally see in Sullivan County.
But when it comes to the mysterious outbreak strain of E. coli across 5 states, including Tennessee,
only 3 of the cases that we've seen so far in Sullivan County match that strain and are along with a multi-state outbreak.
That makes up about 12% of the state's reported 26 outbreak cases.
We've had a few cases that have had to be hospitalized due to their illness, and then a few cases that have not had to be hospitalized.
As of Wednesday, it was not clear whether those hospitalizations were specifically tied to the outbreak strain. Mullen says the department learns about cases of E. coli through the healthcare providers who are required to report the cases to the health department and through FoodNet case reports.
We have those initial questions that we do ask every E. coli case. Well, CDC has developed a supplemental questionnaire just for those questions to be asked for those specific cases that they're looking at right now, to drill down to get a little bit more detail from those connected to the multi-state outbreak.
Mullen says based on information from the CDC concerning those mysterious outbreak cases, at this point,
there's not been a common restaurant, grocery, food exposure, nothing at that point that's been pinpointed as the common source.
Now, the Sullivan County Health Department wants you to keep in mind the importance of washing your hands, especially after using the bathroom, making sure any meat is properly cooked, and watching out for cross-contamination between foods. They also say if you're experiencing any symptoms, to stay home.
Blake, thanks. And the CDC says some symptoms of E. coli include severe stomach cramps, diarrhea, and vomiting.